Keeping your car in top shape is easier than you think. Follow these simple tips to ensure a smooth ride every time. First, regular oil changes. They're crucial for lubricating your engine and preventing damage. Aim for every 5,000 miles or as recommended by your manufacturer. Second, monitor your tire pressure. Proper inflation not only saves fuel but also prevents uneven wear, extending tire life. Third, don't overlook your air filter. A clean filter improves airflow to the engine, enhancing performance and efficiency. Lastly, pay attention to your dashboard indicators. They're your car's way of communicating needs, from low fuel to engine checks. With these easy steps, you're not just extending your vehicle's life. You're also ensuring safer, more enjoyable journeys. Drive smart, drive safe. Brought to you by Killeen Auto Brokers. Your journey, our commitment.